Hey guys, what's up TA family? What's up? How you guys? How have you guys been? Welcome to our channel. This is your girl Trindler. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, hi and welcome. This is a channel that talks about skincare and lifestyle. So feel free to check out my previous videos, and I'm sure you're going to see something you love in there. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. I really do appreciate you guys. To my old and returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back, for always believing in me. I really do love and appreciate you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I say a big thank you to you all. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about how you can make licorice whitening cream. Okay, so this recipe, I've used it before and I just decided, you know what, let me just come show you guys. When I used it, then I was already getting way too light, like my face, I was already getting like white. And you know that thing when people say, oh, you're a fair person, but now you're getting way too white, so I had to stop. So I decided to come show you guys, and this is a night cream. It's a cream that's supposed to be used at night. Yes, I did use it on my face, and yes, it does not contain all the ingredients of a facial cream, but it does work very well. So if you're interested, let's get right into it. So the first thing I did guys, I used half a teaspoon of my licorice powder and half a teaspoon of my snow white powder. So my licorice powder decided to get thick. Well, I say congee. It was actually very thick, and I decided to dissolve it. You should know that snow white powder and licorice powder, they dissolve in water. They are water soluble, meaning you can dissolve them in water. So I decided to dissolve mine in water. You know, the half teaspoon of snow white powder and half teaspoon of the licorice powder. So I had to take 3 tablespoons of my distilled water, and I had to warm it, and I turned it in the solution or in the powders just to make it dissolve. Guys, this took me like 5 minutes for this thing to dissolve, but yeah, it finally dissolved. I'm also going to double boil my solution, but I just want to prepare everything down. And guys, this video was crazy, like really crazy. I had so many things while doing this, and I knew, or I saw that I was already making mistakes, like although yeah, in the voice stuff. That's why I decided to do a voice over. So yeah, I had to mix this so much till it got dissolved, and finally after 5 minutes it got dissolved. So that's it. So the next thing, I brought this my small beautiful cup, or will I say container, because I love it so much. I know I was not going to use it to guys, but I just decided that you know what, let me just use it, just a fizzy, let everything look beautiful, because I'm using a cake background. I was like, okay, this thing, it fits it very well. So I added 2 tablespoons. Actually added more than that. The whole water was what I added. Not actually the whole water, but almost the whole water was what the 3 tablespoons. I added, let's say, 2.5 tablespoons of the mixture. That is the snow white mixture and the licorice mixture in this, and then I decided to mix it up. Yes, you can see how pretty this thing looks. So the next thing I added again was my oils. So my oils, I added I added glycerin. So this is the glycerin here. I added a teaspoon of glycerin, and I added into the mixture, and then I stirred it. Just mix it up. So you have to mix it up very well. And next thing, I added my oils. Let me close this door. they just turned on the gen. So yes, I added oils, half a teaspoon, no, a teaspoon of my oils. I added rosehip oil, and then I added sweet almond oil. I've always talked about rosehip oil like it's anti-aging, and yes, I'm going to be using this for my face. And then sweet almond oil also lightens and brightens the skin, and then it has other benefits. And then that essential oil I added just a drop because it is lavender essential oil. I've always talked about lavender essential oil, which I hate so much, but it's just that I had to like use it because the only two essential oils I have in the house is lavender and oh, I can't remember the other one's name. But yes, there's no way I'm using them. If you have orange essential oil, it's fine. If you have sandalwood essential oil, it's fine. And if you're pregnant and you want to try out this recipe, please take out the essential oil. It's not by force, okay? Essential oils are something that you have to be very careful when using, especially when you're pregnant. You have to be very, very careful when using essential oil because it can cause miscarriages in pregnant women. So you have to just be very careful. Guys, talking is not easy. So yeah, so you have to mix everything very, very well after you've added everything. So what I did was I actually transferred this solution because it was already getting full. But before I did, the next ingredient I added here was 3 teaspoons of my aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is going to help to smoothen the skin. Then it's going to help with sunburn. It's going to help to protect the skin as well. You know, aloe vera acts like a little bit of sunscreen. Yeah, it does act like a sunscreen to the skin, and then it's very moisturizing and it locks in moisture to the skin. Oh my god, it's raining. So next up, I added the aloe vera, and then I had to like mix it very well. So the aloe vera made it much. That was why I had to transfer the mixture into a bigger container. And yes, I was going to double boil it again and did not want I can't use this container to do my double boiling stuff, okay, because it's going to be much at the end of the day. We have to make this cream thick, and we know that yes, of course, we are going to add our emulsifying wax to it. So yeah, that's what I have here. So in here I have half a teaspoon of my emulsifying wax, and I went to double boil it. So to the emulsifying wax, I added just a little bit of sunflower oil, very little bit, like 1/4 teaspoon of sunflower oil. I just added it and I went to double boil it. For your mixture also, you can add vitamin E oil, but I did not add vitamin E oil because the one I have stinks so much. Sorry if you're hearing noise, guys. The rain just started falling all of a sudden. So after double boiling it, yeah, this is the mixture. This is our mixture, our aloe vera, our licorice, all those things. And this is our e-wax over here, emulsifying wax. So yeah, I went and I double boiled them, and let's wait for it to dissolve. So after dissolving them, it's just like our normal method now. You have to pour into the other and then mix very well. So yeah, I turned my e-wax to my water solution, and then I had to stir to create what? Our lotion or our cream. So you just mix. So what I'm doing here actually is because I added a pinch, like a very pinch of kojic dip to my emulsifying wax while I was melting it. Kojic dip is an oil soluble, so it needs oil to dissolve. So that was what was still at the bottom a bit, and I had to just like, you know what, everything has to come. I must get every single thing from this ingredient. So you can see that we use really great lightening oils and powders in it. So you can add your vitamin E oil, but like I said, the one I have stinks. I will buy a better one soon. And we have things that can moisturize your skin in here as well. We have the aloe vera, we have our glycerin, and they are very good in moisturizing. We have our sweet almond oil and our rosehip oil. Okay, we have to look young and beautiful. Hey, so after mixing, guys, I was tired. Like I said, I had so many things I was doing that day, so I was really tired. I just had to let me put this in water. And before I did that, I added my Jama Plus. So Jama Plus, you work with percentage for Jama Plus, which is like 1 to 2%, but I just added Chingili, which is very small. You can see it's very, very small. That's why I added, let's just say, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Jama Plus preservative, and I just had to stir. This I can do in percentage, this I can do ordinary. So working in percentage is actually the best, actually the best thing to do. Anyway, guys, this is our cream. You're going to have to you have to mix and then pour. I have to pour in that my fancy beautiful container. You can see how white and how creamy this looks. So yes, this is what I'm going to be using for my face, at least for a while. Guys, I don't know how to rub cream. I'm the type that can rub cream like 2 times or once in a month or 3 months, just as it enters my body. So yes, use at night and use your sunscreen in the mornings. Okay, so that's just it for this video. Thank you guys so much. I really do love and appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video was actually useful to you, and I hope you love it. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.